guys, so this is just my sort of everyday go-to hairstyle, and first I'm just gonna spray my hair with some heat protectant spray from Tresemmé. Then I'm just gonna give it a quick brush with my Tangle teaser. This is the best thing that was ever invented. And here I'm just separating the front part of my fringe. I've gone back to the old style of curling my hair with straighteners. These GHDs have been with me since I was about 14, so we're looking at 12 years now, and yes, they are still going strong. So on one side of my hair, I tend to curl towards my face, so this is what I'm doing on the pink side, and then when I get to the black side, I tend to curl away from the face. Another tip, I also only start curling my hair from about halfway down my face. Once it's all curled, I give it a quick spray with hairspray. This one is the Elnett Satin, and I like this one because you can brush it out without it being crispy. Then for my fringe, I'm just going to start curling in the way that I'd like it to fall on my face. Once my hair is cooled and set, I just brush through with my fingers first, and then I take my brush to really soften the curls up. For the fringe section, I brush all the curls together, and then I use a back combing brush just to tease some volume into the top, and I spray some hairspray in between every layer. Once I have a crazy looking fringe, I then smooth out all the flyaways on the top, and whilst holding the volume up, I'll just brush the ends out so that they're smooth, and then I'll just spray that in place. Here I'm just brushing upwards and giving the ends a tease just to make it look a little bit more voluminous. And that is the finished look. I hope you guys have enjoyed this. I know it was a requested video, and I'll see you on my next one.